Hi guys, it's Jen from Ink Insomniac, and today's tip for the day. I got these at Lowe's. So it's a PVC cup link. Forgive me if I have it wrong, but I looked at a million of them today. But anyway, this unscrews. I'm trying to do this one-handed. This is my new camera, by the way, so we'll see how the video goes. But this unscrews, and just, the slightest turn will raise or lower it. So when I'm doing my resin pieces especially, or on a tile, you can't put screw hooks or push pins, in the back of them. So not only will the paint peel right off of this when it dries, or the resin or whatever, I really tried hard to find some type of overlapping screw, so like the paint and the resin would roll or flow off and not get trapped in the threading. That was my biggest worry. I spent like an hour at Lowe's trying to figure it out. But a couple ideas that I came up with was, I bought these. These were 50 cents a piece. They're just PVC pipe caps. So I might glue that to the top here so it flows over the sides. The other thing was, when I got home, I was just going through my box of stuff that I saved, and then I came across my spray paint cap, which can sit right on top. And then if that's not good enough for you, I took, this is, where did it go? Oh, come on. Oh, there it is. I just cut the bottom of a 16-ounce soda cup, and voila. It fits perfectly over it. No paint or anything will get into the thread. If I'm leveling out my canvas or my tile or whatever, and I need to twist this to get it level, I might glue this in here all together so the white cap twists as I turn this. So as I turn it, it'll raise or lower, making my canvas totally level. So I bought 6 of these, and I guess I'm gonna have to get 6 plastic cups, but in the end it works out for me, and I figured I'd share it with you guys because I'm always looking for ways to make stuff easier for us. So I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.